121. Which root in bronchoscopy refers to the airway? A. Pulm. B. Bronch. C. Thorax. D. Pleur. Answer: B. Bronch. Rationale: bronch from Greek bronchos means airway, as in bronchoscopy. Airway visualization. Pulm is lung, thorax is chest, and pleur is pleura. B is correct. 122. What does derm signify in dermatology?
A. Hair. B. Skin.
C. Nail. D. Sweat. Answer: B. Skin. Rationale: derm from Greek derma means skin, as in dermatology, study of skin. Hair is trick, nail is onyx, and sweat is hydr. B is correct. 123. In cholelithiasis, what does col indicate? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Bile. D. Pancreas. Answer: C. Bile. Rationale: col from Greek chol means bile, as in cholelithiasis, bile stones. Liver is heput, gallbladder is cyst, and pancreas is pancreas. C is correct. 124. Which root with opathy indicates eye disease? A. Ophthalm. B. Ot. C. Rin.
D. Nor.
Answer: A. Ophthalm. Rationale: ophthalm means eye, forming ophthalmopathy eye disease. Ot is ear, Rin is nose, and Nor is nerve. A is correct for this pathology term. 125. What does Nor signify in neuralgia? A. Brain. B. Nerve. C. Spinal cord. D. Muscle. Answer: B. Nerve. Rationale: Nor from Greek neuron means nerve, as in neuralgia, nerve pain. Brain is encephal, spinal cord is myle, and muscle is myo. B is correct. 126. What does the root ost mean in osteotomy? A. Joint. B. Muscle. C. Cartilage. D. Bone. Answer: D. Bone. Rationale: ost from Greek osteon means bone, as in osteotomy, bone cutting. Joint is arth, muscle is myo, and cartilage is chondr. D is correct. 127. Which root in enteropathy refers to the intestine? A. Gaster. B. Enter. C. Kernel. D. Heput. Answer: B. Enter. Rationale: enter from Greek enteron means intestine, as in enteropathy, intestine disorder. Gaster is stomach, col is colon, and heput is liver. B is correct. 128. In laryngoscopy, what does larynx indicate? A. Throat. B. Trachea. C. Larynx. D. Esophagus. Answer: C. Larynx. Rationale: larynx from Greek larynx means larynx, as in laryngoscopy, larynx visualization. Throat is pharynx, trachea is trache, and esophagus is esophag. C is correct. 129. What root word means gland in adenitis? A. Lymph. B. Aden. C. Tonsil. D. Thyr. Answer: B. Aden. Rationale: Aden from Greek Aden means gland, as in adenitis, gland inflammation. Lymph is lymph, tonsil is tonsils, and Thyr is thyroid. B is correct. 130. Which root combined with itis indicates tongue inflammation? A. Stomate.
B. Gloss.
C. Odont. D. Gingiv. Answer: B. Gloss. Rationale: gloss means tongue, forming glossitis, tongue inflammation. Stomate is mouth, odon is tooth, and gingiv is gum. B is correct for this condition. 131. What does myle signify in myelopathy? A. Nerve. B. Spinal cord.
C. Brain.
D. Muscle. Answer: B. Spinal cord. Rationale: myle from Greek mylos means spinal cord, as in myelopathy, spinal cord disorder. Nerve is nor, brain is encephal, and muscle is myo. B is correct. 132. In splenomegaly, what does spleen refer to? A. Liver. B. Pancreas.
C. Spleen.
D. Kidney. Answer: C. Spleen. Rationale: Splen from Greek, splen means spleen, as in splenomegaly, enlarged spleen. Liver is hepat, pancreas is pancreat, and kidney is nephr. C is correct. 133. Which root word means fat in liposuction? A. Derm. B. Lip. C. Adip.
D. Meow.
Answer. B. Lip. Rationale. Lip from Greek lipos means fat, as in liposuction, fat removal. Derm is skin. Adip also means fat but is less common here, and myo is muscle. B is correct. 134. What does trache indicate in tracheostomy? A. Larynx. B. Trachea. C. Throat. D. Lung. Answer. B. Trachea. Rationale. Trache from Greek trachea means trachea, as in tracheostomy, trachea opening. Larynx is larynx, throat is pharynx, and lung is pulm. B is correct. 135. In hysterosalpingography, what does hyster signify? A. Fallopian tube.
B. Uterus. C. Ovary.
D. Cervix. Answer. B. Uterus. Rationale. Hyster from Greek hystera means uterus, as in hysterosalpingography, uterus and tube imaging. Fallopian tube is salping, ovary is oophore, and cervix is cervic. B is correct. 136. Which root with ectomy indicates tonsil removal? A. Aden. B. Tonsil. C. Lymph. D. Pharynx. Answer. B. Tonsil. Rationale. Tonsil means tonsils, forming tonsillectomy, tonsil removal. Aden is gland, lymph is lymph, and pharynx is throat. B is correct for this surgical term. 137. What does cost mean in costal? A. Chest. B. Rib.
C. Spine.
D. Lung. Answer. B. Rib. Rationale. Cost from Latin costa means rib, as in costal, pertaining to the ribs. Chest is thorax, spine is spin, and lung is pulm. B is correct. 138. In orchitis, what does orchid indicate? A. Prostate. B. Testis. C. Urethra. D. Bladder. Answer. B. Testis. Rationale. Orchid from Greek orchis means testis, as in orchitis, testis inflammation. Prostate is prostat, urethra is urethra, and bladder is cyst. B is correct. 139. Which root means sweat in hyperhidrosis? A. Derm. B. Hidder. C. Lip. D. Kerat. Answer. B. Hidder. Rationale. Hidder from Greek hydros means sweat, as in hyperhidrosis, excessive sweating. Derm is skin, lip is fat, and kerat is horn. B is correct. 140. What does decoding pneumonitis reveal about pneum? A. Air. B. Lung. C. Breath.
D. Chest.
Answer. B. Lung. Rationale. Pneum means lung, and in pneumonitis, lung inflammation. It's the key root. Air is implied, breath is spear, and chest is thorax. B is correct. 141. Which root in ureterolithiasis refers to the ureter? A. Nephr. B. Ureter.
C. Cyst.
D. Run. Answer. B. Ureter. Rationale. Ureter means ureter, as in ureterolithiasis, ureter stones. Nephr and run are kidney, and cyst is bladder. B is correct for this specific structure. 142. What does THYR mean in thyroiditis? A. Gland. B. Thyroid. C. Neck. D. Hormone. Answer. B. Thyroid. Rationale. THYR from Greek thyreos means thyroid, as in thyroiditis, thyroid inflammation. Gland is Aden, neck is cervic, and hormone is not a root here. B is correct. 143. In colposcopy, what does colp indicate? A. Uterus.
B. Cervix. C. Vagina.
D. Ovary. Answer. C. Vagina. Rationale. Colp from Greek kolpos means vagina, as in colposcopy, vagina visualization. Uterus is hyster, cervix is cervic, and ovary is oophore. C is correct. 144, which root with algia indicates tooth pain? A. Odont.
B. Gloss.
C. Stomach. D. Gingiv. Answer: A. Odont. Rationale: odont means tooth, forming odontalgia, tooth pain. Gloss is tongue, stomach is mouth, and gingiv is gum. A is correct for this term. 145. What does vas signify in vascular? A. Blood. B. Vein.
C. Artery.
D. Vessel. Answer: D. Vessel. Rationale: vas from Latin vas means vessel, as in vascular, pertaining to vessels. Blood is hem, vein is phleb, and artery is arter. D is correct. 146. What does the root mast mean in mastectomy? A. Chest. B. Gland. C. Breast. D. Milk. Answer: C. Breast. Rationale: mast from Greek mastos means breast, as in mastectomy, breast removal. Chest is thorax, gland is aden, and milk relates to lact. C is correct. 147. Which root in craniotomy refers to the skull? A. Cephal. B. Crani. C. Encephal. D. FAC. Answer: B. Crani. Rationale: crani from Greek cranion means skull, as in craniotomy, skull incision. Cephal is head, encephal is brain, and FAC is face. B is correct. 148. In pneumonia, what does pneum indicate? A. Air. B. Breath. C. Lung. D. Chest. Answer: C. Lung. Rationale: pneum from Greek pneumen means lung, as in pneumonia, lung inflammation. Air is implied, breath is spear, and chest is thorax. C is correct. 149. What root word means neck in cervicitis? A. Thorax.
B. Cervic. C. Spin.
D. Cephal. Answer: B. Cervic. Rationale: cervic from Latin cervix means neck, as in cervicitis, cervical inflammation. Thorax is chest, spin is spine, and cephal is head. B is correct. 150. Which root combined with itis indicates gallbladder inflammation? A. Hepat.
B. Cole.
C. Cyst. D. Pancreat. Answer: B. Cole. Rationale: cole means bile or gallbladder, forming cholecystitis, gallbladder inflammation. Heput is liver, cyst is bladder, and pancreat is pancreas. B is correct. 151. What does pod signify in podiatrist? A. Leg. B. Foot. C. Ankle. D. Toe. Answer: B. Foot. Rationale: pod from Greek pos means foot, as in podiatrist, foot specialist. Leg is crur. Ankle relates to tars, and toe is dactyl. B is correct. 152. In adenocarcinoma, what does Aden refer to? A. Cancer.
B. Gland.
C. Lymph. D. Tissue. Answer: B. Gland. Rationale: Aden from Greek Aden means gland, as in adenocarcinoma, gland cancer. Cancer is carcinoma, lymph is lymph, and tissue is broader. B is correct. 153. Which root word means hair in trichopathy? A. Kerat. B. Trick. C. Onyx.
D. Derm.
Answer: B. Trick. Rationale: trick from Greek thrix means hair, as in trichopathy, hair disorder. Kerat is horn, onyx is nail, and derm is skin. B is correct. 154. What does lymph indicate in lymphoma? A. Blood.
B. Gland.
C. Lymph. D. Node. Answer: C. Lymph. Rationale: lymph from Latin lympha means lymph, as in lymphoma, lymph tissue tumor. Blood is hem, gland is Aden, and node is implied but not the root. C is correct. 155. In tympanitis, what does tympan signify? A. Ear canal. B. Eardrum. C. Ear bone. D. Outer ear. Answer: B. Eardrum. Rationale: tympan from Greek Tympanon means eardrum, as in tympanitis, eardrum inflammation. Ear canal is audit, ear bone is ossicle, and outer ear is oar. B is correct. 156. Which root with ectomy indicates spleen removal?
A. Splen.
B. Hepat. C. Pancreat. D. Nephre. Answer: A. Splen. Rationale: splen means spleen, forming splenectomy, spleen removal. Heput is liver, pancreat is pancreas, and nephre is kidney. A is correct for this surgical term. 157. What does bronch mean in bronchodilator? A. Lung. B. Airway.
C. Chest.
D. Breath. Answer: B. Airway. Rationale: bronch from Greek bronchos means airway, as in bronchodilator, airway expander. Lung is pulm, chest is thorax, and breath is sphere. B is correct. 158. In gynecomastia, what does gynek indicate? A. Breast. B. Woman.
C.
Uterus.
D. Ovary.
Answer: B. Woman. Rationale: gynek from Greek gyna means woman, as in gynecomastia, woman-like breasts. Breast is mast, uterus is hyster, and ovary is oophore. B is correct. 159. Which root means nail in onycholysis? A. Trick. B. Onych. C. Carat.
D. Derm.
Answer: B. Onych. Rationale: onych from Greek onyx means nail, as in onycholysis, nail separation. Trick is hair, carat is horn, and derm is skin. B is correct. 160. What does decoding hepatomegaly reveal about hepat? A. Stomach. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. Gallbladder. Answer: B. Liver. Rationale: hepat means liver, and in hepatomegaly, enlarged liver, it's the key root. Stomach is gast, pancreas is pancreat, and gallbladder is col. B is correct.